Welcome to our channel. Remote work sounds like a dream, right? No commute, flexible hours, and total freedom. But in reality, it's easy to fall into bad habits that can wreck your productivity. In today's video, we're covering the top 10 things you should never do while working remotely, and, of course, how to fix them so you can work smarter, not harder. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Working from bed. Sure, it's comfy, but that comfort quickly turns into drowsiness, and before you know it, your productivity is asleep too. Fix it. Set up a dedicated workspace, even if it's just a small corner of your room. Your brain needs a clear signal that it's work time, not nap time. Trust me, you'll feel more energized and productive. Mistake number 2. Skipping your morning routine. Working remotely can blur the lines between work and personal life. Rolling out of bed and jumping straight into work might sound efficient, but it'll leave you feeling disorganized and sluggish. Fix it. Stick to a morning routine, even if it's short. Whether it's a quick shower, coffee, or just getting dressed. These rituals help transition you into work mode, boosting focus and energy for the day ahead. Mistake number 3. Poor communication. In a remote setting, you can't rely on face-to-face interaction to clarify misunderstandings. Vague messages can confuse your team and lead to delays. Fix it. Be clear and concise in your messages. It's better to over-communicate than under-communicate. Provide context and avoid ambiguity so your team knows exactly what you mean. Mistake number 4. Not taking breaks. Sitting at your desk for hours on end might make you feel like you're getting things done, but in reality, you're heading for burnout. Fix it. Schedule regular breaks throughout your day. Stand up, stretch, or even take a short walk. These mini breaks refresh your mind and body, helping you come back to work with renewed focus. Mistake number 5. Multitasking too much. You might think you're being super productive, but multitasking actually slows you down. Switching between tasks takes mental energy, and you're more likely to make mistakes. Fix it. Focus on one task at a time. Use a to-do list or time-blocking method to prioritize tasks. You'll work faster and with less stress. Mistake number 6. Not setting boundaries. When you work from home, it's easy for family or housemates to think you're always available. This can lead to constant distractions. Fix it. Set clear boundaries with your family or housemates. Let them know when you're working and need uninterrupted time. A simple conversation can go a long way in minimizing distractions. Mistake number 7. Overworking. Without the natural structure of an office, it's easy to keep working past your normal hours, but constantly overworking can lead to exhaustion and burnout. Fix it. Set clear start and end times for your workday, and stick to them. It's important to disconnect and recharge for the next day. Mistake number 8. Forgetting to socialize. Remote work can feel isolating, and that lack of human connection can hurt your mood and productivity. Fix it. Schedule virtual hangouts or check-ins with your coworkers. Staying connected helps you stay motivated and feel part of a team, even from a distance. Mistake number 9. Ignoring ergonomics. Sitting in a bad position for hours can lead to long-term health issues like back pain or neck strain. Fix it. Invest in a good chair and adjust your workspace so you're sitting comfortably. A proper ergonomic setup keeps you productive without causing physical discomfort. Mistake number 10. Not celebrating wins. When you're working remotely, it's easy to forget to pause and recognize your accomplishments. This can make you feel unappreciated and worn out. Fix it. Take a moment to celebrate your achievements, big or small. It boosts morale and keeps you motivated for the next challenge. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on working smarter.